name is Laura and I'm the owner of C7 Carbon. I'm very excited to show you our new 2018 Raptor. At C7 Carbon, we have been building carbon fiber products for almost 20 years. So we are very excited to announce that we are now jumping into an off-road catalog and we'll be starting our new division with F150 and Raptor products. Now available our Raptor carbon fiber headband ready to order on our website. So check it out. And coming soon, our F150 Raptor conversion kits and extended fenders for pre-runners and a lot more. If there is an exterior part that you would like us to build, please leave the comments below and let us know.